Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Actually, I wasn't planning to make a video because we have a lot of campaigns running. I am optimizing student campaigns. A lot of things are happening, but there's an issue. Every student is facing this issue nowadays, and I thought, why not make a video to talk about it? The maximum problem that students are facing today is that they are dealing with this muddy issue of not getting clicks daily. Despite a good number of calls coming in, they are not converting, or they are using call-only ad segments. So their campaign is not showing clicks or conversions. You can see here $366. I have run a call. I am refreshing it. This account, by the way, it got suspended. We'll create a new account and generate calls again. So that's not the problem. So with $366, they generated 35 calls in different market call accounts. All right. So that is the thing. Generate a good number of calls. From one call, they easily make $30 to $40. So you can understand how much revenue is generated from here. But the main concern is that whatever campaigns we are creating today, all right, in those campaigns, we are only getting clicks, we are not getting conversions. All right, so understand this simple thing. The biggest main problem is your landing page. Look, whatever landing page you create today, like I'm showing you, all right, if you are creating a landing page, then you need to make it according to certain criteria. For example, if you are running a flight, all right, then your landing page should be designed in a certain way. Keep in mind a simple thing for your landing page. Whatever landing page you use, it should properly include all these elements like about, privacy policy, contact us. Today, whatever keyword you are using in Google Ads, if you are using any keyword in Google Ads, try to include that keyword in your landing page as well. So I had also created one for pest control, a landing page, and it turned out to be quite a conversion-focused landing page. I think there is some issue. It'd be 1 second. As you can see here, I created a landing page on pest control, and in that landing page, I tried to include every piece of information, like using the Orkin keyword. So I included information about Orkin. I'm using the thermic keyword. So I've included information about the thermic keyword. I am using the Equal app. Whatever are the keywords I'm using, I'm providing some related information on my landing page. Okay, besides this, anyone creating a campaign should keep one thing in mind. If you are adding a verification URL, for example, if you are creating any call-only ad, most people tend to add the verification URL, but they never add the final URL. According to Google's new update, if your landing page is not properly managed, if your landing page is not well designed, that's the second thing. If you're using any landing page, and all the keywords, if your Google Ads optimization score is not 100%, then it will not send you traffic. Sir, the third thing is the average view duration of a user. If any user clicks on your ad and reaches your landing page, but doesn't spend time there, if they leave your page immediately after clicking, then clicks on your ad will also stop coming. In addition, when creating your ad copy, most people, about 90% of those I know, do not submit the final URL. So what you need to do is whenever you create your Google ad account, make sure to include the final URL. Always include the final URL. At this time, the third thing I want to tell you is that currently your paper call is performing very well. With paper call, you can easily make $50 to $100 on a daily basis without putting in much effort. So if you are in the world of affiliate marketing, in the world of CP marketing, or in any world, okay, you work, you do it, keep working simultaneously, but also pay attention to pay per call. Get approval from some networks for pay per call. Which networks you need to get approval from? You can get it in Market Call, Drop Call, and Offer Globe. You can get it in eLocal, you can get it in LeaderSmart. They get approval in these networks. After getting approval in these networks, there are some evergreen offers like pest control offers, water damage offers, and flight offers. After getting approval for these offers, start running Google Ads. You are going to get results for sure. If you know ad optimization well, you will get very good results. If you don't, we are here for you. We offer training that you can join. The number is given below and you can call this number. And one thing I guarantee is that in pay per call, you will get very common results if you join my training and proceed accordingly, if you put in proper effort. Okay. So I hope the biggest problem was that clicks are coming, but conversions are not. For that, you don't have to do anything. You need to put both the verification URL and the final URL. The first thing is to use a proper landing page, and whatever keywords you are using in your ad copy should also be on your landing page. Try to keep Google's optimization score above 97%, ideally 100. Okay, ad call extensions, and whether you create lead ads or website traffic, it doesn't matter, and you are going to get results for sure. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. I hope your problem related to pay per call, that clicks are coming but calls are not. You are getting clicks but not getting calls, not getting conversions, not getting leads, if this problem of yours is solved. So, thank you. Make sure to contact the number once. You are going to get great value out of it. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.